Where are you from? Hi there. My name is John. It's nice to meet you. Where are you from?
Hi, John. Nice to meet you too. I'm Sarah. I'm from Brazil. How about you?
Oh, that's interesting. I've always wanted to visit Brazil. I'm from the United States. I was born and raised in New York City.
Wow, New York City. I've heard so much about it. What's it like living there?
Living in New York City is quite exciting. It's a bustling city with tall skyscrapers, busy streets, and a diverse population. There's always something happening, and the city never sleeps.
It sounds like a vibrant place to live. Brazil is known for its beautiful beaches, Amazon rainforest, and vibrant culture. Have you ever been to Brazil?
Not yet, but it's definitely on my travel bucket list. I've heard about the stunning beaches in Rio de Janeiro and the amazing carnival celebrations. I'd love to experience it all someday.
You should definitely visit. Brazil has so much to offer. The people are warm and friendly, and the food is delicious. If you ever come, I can show you around.
That would be fantastic. I appreciate your offer. I'm curious. What do you like most about Brazil?
There are many things I love about Brazil, but I think what stands out the most is the sense of community. People here are very friendly and welcoming. We value spending time with family and friends, and we often have big gatherings and celebrations.
That's wonderful. Family and friends are important to me too. We have similar values in that sense. Is there anything unique about your region in Brazil?
Absolutely. I come from the northeastern part of Brazil. It's known for its beautiful beaches and rich cultural heritage. We have unique music and dance styles like foro and frevo. Our cuisine is also distinct, with dishes like acarajé and tapioca pancakes.
That sounds fascinating. I'm always interested in learning about different cultures and trying new foods. It's amazing how diverse our world is.
It truly is. That's why I love traveling and meeting people from different backgrounds. It allows us to broaden our perspectives and learn from one another.
I couldn't agree more. So, Sarah, how did you end up here in this English class?
Well, I've always wanted to improve my English skills, and I believe it's essential for personal and professional growth. What about you, John?
I feel the same way. English is such a widely spoken language, and it opens up many opportunities. Plus, I enjoy meeting people from different cultures and languages, just like we're doing now.
Absolutely. I'm glad we could have this conversation and learn a bit about each other's backgrounds. It's been really nice talking to you, John.
Likewise, Sarah. It's been a pleasure. If you ever need any help with English or if you have any questions about New York City, feel free to ask.
Thank you, John. I appreciate that. And if you need any information or tips about Brazil, I'm here to help as well.
Great. Let's keep in touch then. Good luck with your English studies, Sarah.
Thank you, John. Take care and have a wonderful day.
Where were you born? Hello, my name is Alex. Nice to meet you. Where were you born?
Hi, Alex. I'm Emily. Nice to meet you too. I was born in London, England. How about you?
Oh, that's interesting. I was born in Mumbai, India. It's a bustling city with a rich cultural heritage.
Mumbai must be an exciting place to grow up. What was it like living there?
Living in Mumbai was quite vibrant. It's known for its energetic atmosphere, diverse food scene, and Bollywood movies. There's always something happening, and the city is always on the move.
I've heard a lot about Bollywood movies. They seem so colorful and full of life. I'd love to visit Mumbai someday and experience it myself.
You should definitely visit. Mumbai has a lot to offer. From historic landmarks like the Gateway of India to vibrant street markets and mouth-watering street food, you won't run out of things to explore.
That sounds amazing. London is known for its rich history and iconic landmarks, like Big Ben and the Tower of London. Growing up there was quite fascinating.
I can imagine. London has so much history and charm. I've always wanted to visit and see those famous landmarks in person.
You should definitely come. London is a melting pot of cultures, and there's always something happening. I'd be happy to show you around if you visit.
That would be great. I appreciate your offer. What do you like most about London?
There are many things I love about London, but I think what I like the most is the diversity. You can meet people from all over the world and experience different cultures without leaving the city.
That's wonderful. I also appreciate the diversity in Mumbai. It's fascinating how different cultures can coexist and thrive in one place.
Absolutely. It's one of the things that make our world so beautiful and interesting. We can learn so much from each other's backgrounds and experiences.
I couldn't agree more. So, Emily, how did you end up here in this English class?
Well, I've always wanted to improve my English skills. It's such an important language, and I believe it can open up many opportunities for personal and professional growth. What about you, Alex?
I feel the same way. English is a global language, and being able to communicate effectively in English can be really beneficial. Plus, I enjoy meeting new people and learning about their cultures, just like we're doing now.
Absolutely. I'm glad we could have this conversation and learn a bit about each other's backgrounds. It's been really nice talking to you, Alex.
Likewise, Emily, it's been a pleasure. If you ever need any help with English, or if you have any questions about Mumbai or India, feel free to ask.
Thank you, Alex. I appreciate that. And if you need any information or tips about London or England, I'm here to help as well.
Great. Let's keep in touch then. Good luck with your English studies, Emily.
Thank you, Alex. Take care and have a wonderful day.
What do you do? Hi, my name is Mark. It's nice to meet you. What do you do for a living?
Hi, Mark. I'm Lisa. Nice to meet you too. I'm a teacher. I teach English at a local high school. How about you?
That's great, Lisa. Teaching must be rewarding. I work as a software engineer for a tech company. I develop computer programs and applications.
That sounds interesting. I've always admired people who work in the tech industry. It must be exciting to create new software and solve problems.
It can be challenging at times, but it's definitely rewarding. I enjoy the problem solving aspect of my job. So, what do you like most about being a teacher?
I love working with students and helping them learn and grow. It's fulfilling to see them progress and achieve their goals. Teaching also allows me to constantly learn and improve myself.
That's wonderful. Teachers play such an important role in shaping young minds. I'm sure your students appreciate your dedication.
Thank you, Mark. I do my best to create a positive and engaging learning environment. So, as a software engineer, what do you enjoy most about your job?
One of the things I enjoy the most is the creativity it allows me. I get to design and develop innovative solutions to real-world problems. It's also a field that's constantly evolving, so there's always something new to learn.
That's fascinating. Technology is advancing so rapidly, and it's incredible how much impact it has on our daily lives. What specific projects have you worked on recently?
Recently, I was part of a team that developed a mobile application for managing personal finances. It was challenging but rewarding to see the app come to life and help people take control of their money.
That's impressive. Financial management is crucial, and having a user friendly app can make a big difference. I'm sure it will be very helpful to many people.
I hope so. It's always satisfying to create something that has a positive impact on people's lives. So, Lisa, how did you decide to become a teacher?
Teaching has always been my passion. I've always enjoyed working with children and helping them learn. I believe education is the key to a better future, and being a teacher allows me to contribute to that.
That's a wonderful perspective. Education is indeed a powerful tool for personal and societal growth. We need more dedicated teachers like you.
Thank you, Mark. I appreciate your kind words. So, what led you to choose a career in software engineering?
I've always been fascinated by computers and technology. I enjoy solving and creating things. Pursuing a career in software engineering seemed like a natural fit for me.
It's great when we can turn our passions into careers. It makes work more enjoyable and fulfilling.
Absolutely. When you're doing something you love, it doesn't feel like work at all. It's a privilege to be able to pursue our passions.
I couldn't agree more. Well, Mark, it's been really nice talking to you and learning about your work. I'm sure you're making a positive impact in your field.
Thank you, Lisa. It's been a pleasure getting to know you as well. If you ever need any help with technology, related matters, or have any questions about teaching, feel free to ask.
I appreciate that, Mark. Likewise, if you need any assistance with English or have any questions about education, feel free to reach out.
Thank you, Lisa. Let's keep in touch. Good luck with your teaching and have a wonderful day.
Thank you, Mark. Take care and have a great day too.